The highly requested mantu. Let me show you how to make it. The most delicious Afghan dumpling. اقدر پرسان کردین که mantu رو بسازم. I love mantu. یگانه چیزی که کی خوش نداره. Mantu is also a Afghan dumpling. It's actually filled with meat. Very, very popular, absolutely delicious dish. This is my mom's recipe. I'll show you how to make it. No Afghan dish starts without an onion. یک دونه پیاز بگیرین. اول کوفته پاشانش میسازم که سر منتو میره. I'm going to start off with the ground beef topping that goes on top of the dumpling. It's one of those dishes that also take quite some time to make, just in terms of preparation, because you fill each dumpling up individually. Growing up, this was the one thing we would always request my mom to make. I remember we would sit down together and fill it up. It was just like a weekend thing when everybody was off and home. Grab your pot, go ahead and turn on the heat and add some oil to it, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. پیازتون خوب سرخ کنین در روغن. I'm going to throw the onions over the oil. یک دونه بانجارمی کلان خوب بگیرین، میده کنین. I have one big tomato here that I'm also chopping up too. The onions are nice and caramelized. Go ahead and add your tomatoes. پیازتون که خوب سرخ شد بانجارمی رو سرش پرتین. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. یک قاشق سیر پرتین. نیم قاشق گشنیز خشک. I have half a tablespoon of coriander I'm going to add in here. Half a tablespoon salt. نیم قاشق نمک. Red pepper flakes to taste. If you don't like it too spicy, you don't have to add too much. Just some turmeric for flavor. I'd say like half a teaspoon. This is how it looks so far. I have 1 pound of ground beef here. In a few minutes, I'm going to add some water. I'm going to bring it to a medium heat and let this cook at a slow pace. Okay, for the filling, I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef here. برای منتو 1.5 pound گوشت دارم. برای خود گوشت منتو هرچی که پیازش زیادتر باشه اما قدر مزه‌دارتر میآید. Now in another pan, we're going to make the filling of the mantu. Very little oil. It's about halfway cooked. You're going to add your onions to it. I'd say this is about 3 cups of diced onions. More onions, the better. Season 1 tablespoon coriander. 1 قاشق گشنیز خشک. 1 teaspoon salt to flavor. نیم قاشق نمک. I'm going to add black pepper as well, like half a teaspoon. خوب خوشبوی مزه‌دار شه مرچ سیاه پرتین. And then to taste, however you like red pepper. آنها دلتان هر چقدر مرچ سرخ هم که بندازین. آنها رو پختش کنین تا پیاز خوب نرمک شه. You want to cook it until the onions sweat. Just like this. Turn the heat off, let it cool down. The کوفته پاشانش بسیار مزه‌دار میشه. ما همیشه مطر زردک بندازیم. هر کس رقم خود میسازه که خوش دارن. یگان تا نخود بندازن. زیاد مردم عاشق گفتن لوبیا بندازن. هر کس از خود استایل داره. همیشه از انداختیم و بسیار مزه‌داره. شما هم try کنین خوشتان میآید. I'm going to add this to the meat. Mix this in and it tastes absolutely delicious. Just trust me. This is our mantu wraps. They're just squares like this. You can just use wonton wraps. Our onion and beef filling here. Wet all of the edges with some water. Spoonful of your filling. Put it right in the center. All corners to the middle like this. Make sure that it's all sealed like that. این خمیرتان دورای شکتی او خوب تر کنین که بچسبه. وسطش پرتین گوشت و پیازه. بگیرین اما تا دما بین بیارین و خوب سعی پچق کنین که بچسبه. Okay, so something like this to steam them in. Add some oil on the bottom. یک همه که دیگه منتو تانه روغن بزنین که نچسبه. Like that. Go ahead and let them steam. Another chaki خود میسازیم. Now we're going to make the creamy yogurt that goes on top. I like to use sour cream and lemonade. Doing about 3 full tablespoons of sour cream. نیم مونده کلش مندازم. There's about half of this left. I'm just going to add all of it. I'm going to add water to it to change the consistency of it. خوب algin shell. This is the consistency that you want. Some salt. أنا یک ذره نمک پرتین. I'd say like tablespoon. Add salt to taste. Mantu's ready. Take some of your yogurt. یک ذره چکیت in the beginning. Just go ahead and spread it all over your plate. Go ahead and assemble them on here. یک ذره دگم چکا پرتین. Go ahead and add some more yogurt on top. Just want to lightly sprinkle this over everything. Add some crushed red pepper. کمک مرچ سرخ اگه خوش دارین. انار تیار شد. خلاص نوش جان کنین. I'm not going to eat it once again because it's beef, but I make the exact same thing for me with ground chicken rather than beef. It's just as delicious. If you have the time to make it, try it. You'll love it. I love you guys. Bye.